Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be looking at the emotions in Sepedi. So what are emotions called in Sepedi? So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first emotion we have happy. What is happy in Sepedi? So happy means thabile. Happy means thabile. I am happy. Ke thabile. I am happy. Ke thabile. The next one we have sad. So sad means nyamile. Sad means nyamile. I am sad. Ke nyamile. I am sad. Ke nyamile. I am sad. Ke nyamile. The next one we have tired. Tired means lapile. Tired means lapile. I am tired. Ke lapile. I am tired. Ke lapile. I am tired. Ke lapile. The next one we have shy. So shy means dihlong. Shy means dihlong. I am shy. Ke na le dihlong. I am shy. Ke na le dihlong. I am shy. Ke na le dihlong. So the next emotion we have angry. So angry means kwatile. Angry, kwatile. I am angry. Ke kwatile. I am angry. Ke kwatile. Shocked. Shocked. Shocked is makete. Shocked, makete. I am shocked. Ke makete. I am shocked. Ke makete. And we have worried. Worried means tshwenyegile. Worried is tshwenyegile in Sepedi. I am very worried. Ke tshwenyegile. I am very worried. Ke tshwenyegile. The next one we have hurt. What is hurt in Sepedi? So hurt is bohloko. Hurt, bohloko. I am hurt. Ke kwele bohloko. Next one we have afraid. Tshoga. Afraid means tshoga in Sepedi. I am afraid. Ke tshogile. I am afraid. Ke tshogile. So that's it for our today's video. So I will see you in the next video. For now.